Friends, hi, this is Sanjay and I'm with Ikram. He's from IIT Madras. And these people are going to talk about, they have displayed their stall is here at the India Pharma 2022 and the India Medical Device 2022. So this is the last day, today is the 27th of April. They've been here for 3 days and we are talking about research. And this is the first time in the world it's going to happen that when anything was being conducted, research like for cells, human cells, so it was done on the mice or the rhesus monkey, if I'm correct. So now these bunch of students, young chaps, they have developed a technology where this is done on a chip, a microchip.
Yes, while modeling humans on.
Yeah. So Ikram, now it's over to you. So please tell about your company as you're the founder of the company. Please speak.
Hi, so we're working on human-on-chip technology where we are having a small microchip on which we are modeling human organs so that we can, before we go for any clinical trials, we can check it on the chip. To give you a perspective of what we are doing, if you look at pharma, when they develop any vaccine for corona, it be corona or any new medicine, it's nearly 95% of them fail, which increase the lead time to nearly 5 to 10 years to market. Okay. So, to understanding why that is happening is being tested on animals, which nowhere close to human trials. Okay, that's why they fail in human trials. So, understanding this problem, we have come up with a technology where you can model a humans on a chip with basically immune response and all the human-derived sample from different regions. You can model it on the chip, and you can order the new medicine you make, test it on the chip first, which is nearly 80% close to human models. So at very early stage, you check what are the side effect, what are the toxicity on the chip, and when you go for human trial, there's very less side effect, and you can accelerate the medicine to market. So that's what the technology we are.
So did you start during the pandemic?
Yeah, last year I graduated in collaboration with MIT. I first validated the first prototype. Here we have grown a tiny brain on a chip, which shown here. What are the colors you are looking at? It's a single neuron you are looking at. So you can imagine what kind of potential it can bring in. You can deliver drugs, a medicine, and you can see in a single cell level how it responds to the drug. And you can make any modification to drugs in real time.
Okay.
And this is not one cell. You can look multiple thousands of cells in real time, and you can have multiple combinations. And very fastly you can converge to a point which is very safe to human trials, and it will reach market very quickly.
Right. As I was reading that you've written here, today the human, the human population. So earlier there was only the common flu, now the corona has set in, then there was HIV which came in. Then there are a lot of women and men, they are infected with Parkinson's, where the hands are shaking, or it's Alzheimer's, dementia. So those are the diseases where we haven't made much headway. So how does this, take into that?
Exactly. So I'll tell you. So here, as we're looking at a fundamental cell level, you can model. In fact, we are working in a collaboration with some institutions and research where we are modeling Alzheimer's brain, and we can look at how our neurological circuits are forming for Alzheimer's brain and healthy brain. So we can see like what kind of medicine.
You've taken the cell, neuron from the person who's facing that.
It's in process.
So it's in the process.
First step, it's a healthy brain what we have grown.
Right.
So it's been established now. Now next step, we are taking patient-derived samples and we want to grow and see how an Alzheimer progress and how we can control that. So right. That's the stage we are right now. And not only for Alzheimer's, all these things, there's a very fundamental understanding is what missing to solve these problems. So the platform what I have developed, it gives a solution for that. And even for cancer, to look at the chemo drug what patient takes, right? It don't kills only the cancerous cell. It kills also the healthy cells. That's why you see when a patient take a chemotherapy, the health degrades.
Yes.
So there's a very important need for understanding what is the right combination of drug which suits your health condition. So which you can't try it on a human being itself. So take our chip, get a patient-derived sample, make hundreds of copies, give all the possible medicine, and see which is the medicine works the best for you, which we call precision medicine, or tailor-made medicine.
Right.
That's what it's about.
It's a kind of a laser pointed.
Very focused technology where you can pinpoint this is a problem and you cure it.
Right. So I believe that you guys are in for major, breakthrough in the coming years. Down 10 years, you people will be the people like who are getting a lot of awards.
It's
And
not only
once you
about
get
award,
your patents,
not only about solving a big
yeah,
problem.
human mankind actually.
There's a big gap in technology,
Yes,
which
yes.
which we are filling. Here.
Although we cannot man human mind, but this is something where you have invaded, that place.
Exactly.
So, what are your plans and what's your team? How many people are part of your
So
team?
right now, for technical part, I'm taking care, and I have Nishant. He's,
Okay, Ishan, would you like to join in?
Yeah,
Say
sure.
something about yourself.
So he's from IIM Kozhikode.
Yeah.
Okay, let me introduce myself.
Please.
So, I am Nishant. I recently graduated from IIM Kozhikode, and I am currently working as in the management part of Ismo Photonics along with Ikram.
Okay. So, what gives you that kick, in the morning? Like, this is something very innovative, and I have not even imagined कि ऐसा कुछ होगा. Because we've always seen for last 30 years since,
See, this was a vision. Initially, from earlier days itself, we were thinking how can we bring humans on a chip? And it's the research which he did and the startup which we are into is actually doing it. And this is the future of India, we are bringing it into present. So, and
how do you take care of the funding, Ikram? Means who's supporting you in this venture?
We got initial seed from Startup India, and I have my own investment. And right now we are looking for investors to get in so that we can accelerate. Since in bio, it requires a huge amount of funding.
Yes.
But government fundings are takes very long term and that slow down our development.
Right.
Right now, so to accelerate this development, we are getting investors in so we can faster the development.
Okay. What is the kind of investments you're looking forward to? Means
So
on
for
what scale are you?
So right now we have developed first prototype. For second MVP and prototype, we are looking for nearly 1 million USD. So that's where we are in a stage validating first cancer cell. We can show you we able to pinpoint a cancer cell and we will to target that, and we can show how it reacts in real time. So that would be a stage we will be in with this first investment. Then we have to go for multiple Series A, Series B, where we can go to direct collaborators like pharma and cancer institution. We can get a patient-derived sample. We can demonstrate the potential of this technology. Slowly, we'll penetrate the new technology into the market. That's the whole
And
idea.
where is your present research? Where do you operate from?
So we have a startup at IIT Madras Research Park.
Okay.
We are incubated there right now.
Excellent. So that is the place where you are going to your capabilities and whatever is coming in.
Exactly.
So you are I think on the right path, and we wish you both and all of your team members all the success. And how was your experience here at the India Pharma
It's
2022?
been a great connect. We've been got a chance to industry leaders like Pfizer and many.
Did they show interest?
Yeah, they showed. In fact, they told us to apply for the grants and the support. They are, in fact, they're supporting with some incubation supports. So there are many programs which we got and connected with. So all this-
Perfect.
And there has been a lot of research labs who want to be collaboration in with us and get they want to test our product over there. And there are a lot of requests which we received in last 2 days, and hope so we will be getting it.
Exactly. Because
So
this
you're
is the-
pitching for these angel investors and all that?
Exactly.
Okay, so anybody who was here, any angel investor or
There has been many venture capitalists that came over here in the last 2 days, and they were interested, and we sent them mail, and we are hoping to meet them in the next few days.
okay, so keep me also posted.
Definitely.
I also do some small funding. I'm part of the angel investors team as well, other than my journalism. So thanks very much for both of you.
Thank
Wish
you
you all
very
the
much for
best.
coming.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.